Okay.
You should have looked to your left. I went up the hill on that side.
Okay.
All right, go on, take this one. We're supposed to be quad back there.
Okay.
No, that's rail.
Yeah.
So what are you following me for? Turn up it. Momentum is your friend when you're climbing hills. You don't want to slow down. The faster you can take it, the better. Okay? When you're in first gear and you're starting to drag, if you start to lose traction in the back, you ain't got nowhere to go. Momentum helps you not do that. It'll keep pushing you forward. Okay. So you want to stay on it a little bit. All right? Don't be afraid. Get on it.
Yeah. Am I doing better than last year though? I feel like I am.
Yeah, you are. Watch when I go up these hills. Something really tricky about this. They got water bars in them, which makes a jump in the middle of the hill. Okay? So watch what happens, and I'm going to start in second gear. By the time I hit the second water bar, I'll have to shift down to finish off the hill. Okay? Okay? But you got to get used to catching a little air right there. You could putt over it slowly at those things, and I'll show you how to do that. First, let me show you regular. Okay?
I'm not going up that hill.
Oh, that jump hit hard.
Yeah, I saw that.
I bottomed the suspension out. Oh.
You okay?
My old joints didn't like that. Alright, now I'll show you the easier way.
The way I will take it?
You keep momentum right to the top of the water bar, and then you kind of let off so that you don't jump. But as soon as you come over the rock, you got to get back on it. Now to do that one, you'll be in a lower gear, so I'll take it at first, so I'm not going for... This thing has really high gearing. So second gear is really kind of quick.
About 5 minutes.
Alright, coming down, no brakes at all, just first gear and let it roll. Okay, are you ready to try that?
No.
Alright. Alright, go back up that trail. You gonna take M5 a little bit? No?
Am I down there?
Who?
Yeah, I'll go 5.
Alright, go. We're gonna hit a couple of these side trails. Go first. do, don't panic, stop your front brake.
Okay. Can I at least use the brakes a little bit?
Try just rolling.
Okay.
If you have to, tap your back one lightly. Hey dummy, you got your clutch in. Stop. I didn't say coast down the hill, I said roll down it in first gear. Let your engine do the braking. So let out that clutch and roll.
But didn't want it stall?
No! You want to watch me?
Yeah, I would just prefer to just
No,
roll.
you need to learn to do it right. Trust me. Watch. First gear, no brake. Easy, right?
Yeah.
Try this one again.
I didn't even try this one last year.
Yeah, you did. This
No,
is the
I
one.
didn't. I whisked out.
No, this is the one you wrecked. I had to get your bike, and this is where you quit. So look, it's a green. It's an easy trail. Just stay in first gear, and don't forget to use your gas.
That was awesome.
See? Alright, now what I know is you got to learn to pick your better line. You
Yeah.
should have been on the left side of that trail because you ended up in the ruts. That's the last place you want to be.
Yeah.
Alright, so look at your line and figure out before you even get there which way you're going to go.
Okay.
But that was good. Are you recording?
Yes.
Oh, right on. Alright, go.